If you create content long enough, you'll eventually get that comment. The one that makes you pause mid-scroll and think, wait, did they just say my voice sounds like AI? It happened to me recently. A viewer confidently declared that I was using an AI-generated voice in my video, even though it was 100% my real human vocal cords doing their best impression of a well-rested adult. So, the question becomes, should I care? Is there any reason to care? So let's break this down because the answer is more interesting than you might think. First, no. You don't need to take it personally. We're living in a weird moment where all AI voices are everywhere. TikTok narrations, YouTube explainers, ads, audiobooks, even customer service lines. People are hearing synthetic voices constantly, and their brains are starting to blur the line between human and machine. So, when someone says your voice sounds AI, it's not usually an insult. It's a sign of the times. I mean, sometimes it means your delivery is clean and articulate, the audio quality is high, your pacing is consistent, your tone is calm or neutral, you don't have a strong regional inflection. Ironically, the better your audio production gets, the more likely somebody is to assume it's artificial. Now, that's not a problem. That's a compliment disguised as confusion. But here's why the comment does matter, just a little bit. Not because it hurts your feelings or because you need to defend yourself, not because you owe anyone an explanation. It matters because perception affects engagement. If a viewer thinks your voice is AI, they also might assume that the content is low effort, the creator is anonymous or detached, the video is generic or mass-produced, or that the information might not be trustworthy. Fair or not, people still associate AI voice with less human and less credible. So the real question isn't, should I care about the comment? It's, does this perception affect how my audience connects with me? And the answer there is potentially yes. Now, what this means for creators right now is that we're in a transition era. AI voices are improving fast, and human voices are being mistaken for AI more often. That means creators need to be intentional about signaling their humanity. A few subtle ways you can do that: keep natural imperfections, breaths, micropauses, emotional inflection. Add personal asides or spontaneous reactions. Show behind-the-scenes moments. Use on-camera clips occasionally, even in a mostly faceless channel. Reference your own experiences or personality. Now, you don't need to overdo it. Just sprinkle in enough humanity that your audience feels the difference. Should you respond to that comment? Well, you can, but you don't have to. If you do, you keep it light. Humor works, clarity works, defensiveness doesn't. The goal isn't to prove anything, it's to reinforce connection. The bigger picture? Well, this is a sign you're doing something right. Think about it. People don't accuse low-quality audio of being AI. They accuse clean, consistent, well-produced audio of being AI. If your voice is clear enough, smooth enough, and polished enough that someone thinks it came from a machine, that means your production quality is leveling up, and that's a win. Final takeaway: should you care? Emotionally, no. Strategically, a little. Not because the comment is true, but because it reveals something important about how audiences interpret content in the AI era. Your job isn't to convince people you're human. Your job is to create content that feels human, thoughtful, intentional, and unmistakably you. And if someone mistakes your voice for AI along the way, just smile. You're doing something right. Drop your AI voice stories in the comments, and if you benefit from insights like this, like, subscribe, and click on this next video over here so you can keep on learning.